one of them. All right, so if you've got a times x to the power of n plus blah, 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 divided by a, no, this must be a different sign, and then b to the power of m, blah, 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 blah. Now, if the top power is greater than the bottom, then your answer for this, your answer will, it can be plus or minus infinity. That's all. You see that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Top is more bigger than the bottom. Therefore, the answer will be plus or minus infinity. If they don't have one, we're going to do one here. All right, then let me check. Do we have any power that is bigger at the top compared to the bottom? We don't see it. Let me see this other side. Yeah, this one. Can you see this one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, number 27. So we know the answer is going to be positive infinity or negative. So how do we do it? Remember the key. You always go after the bottom, the degree, the highest degree at the bottom. That's the one we use to divide. Did you get what I'm saying?
Yes.
I never said you use the highest degree. No. I said you use the highest degree that appears in the denominator. Yeah, good. There you go. So we're dividing by x to the 4, and then divided by x to the 4, because I can see this thing, it wants to chop me out. Then I've got x to the 4 there, and then x to the 4. Of course, you'll be writing that in the next step. So with me, this one now becomes, okay, of course, we got limit, and then x approaches negative infinity. Remember, the sign counts. So let's simplify this one here at the top. You're going to be left with 2x. Can you see that? I agree with, yeah.
Yes.
And the next one is going to be 1 over x to the 3rd. And then all over at the bottom is going to be 1. And then the other one is going to be 3 over x to the 4. Now, when you substitute infinite, when you substitute infinity, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. Can you see that?
Yes.
Remember, you're substituting infinity where there is an x. You still have the x there. So you know you're basically left with 2x over the 1, which is basically 2x. But in place of x, you must put a negative infinity. Yeah, so you've got 2 into negative infinity. Your answer is just negative infinity. Can you say that? Like I told you to be plus or minus. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it counts that side. It does count. All right, so you got a hang of this one also. All right. There's the cube root 1, square root 1. I'll show you how to deal with those ones. So now let's explain the other one. But let me cut because it says I'm under 1 minute here. It's because I left